In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a registration form using Google Forms. Whether you're organizing an event, planning a survey, or simply gathering information, Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool that can make this process much easier for you. Let's dive in step by step, and by the end, you'll have a functional registration form ready to use. First things first, you need to open up your web browser and head over to google.com. Once you're there, pay attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small grid made up of 9 dots, which is the menu for Google Apps. Go ahead and click on those square dots. Here, a drop-down menu will appear showing you a variety of Google services. What you need to focus on is Forms. If you don't see it immediately, you can scroll down or use the search option. Now, Google Forms offers a variety of templates that you might find useful, especially if you're in a hurry or need some design inspiration. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to start from scratch, so click on the option to create a blank form. This allows you complete creative control over your registration form and ensures it meets your specific needs. Once your blank form is open, the first thing you should do is edit the title. You can simply click on the placeholder title and type in what you need. This is where you might want to add important details such as the event name, date, or any other essential information that will provide context to your respondents. Next, let's move on to adding questions. A typical registration form often requires gathering basic information such as the participant's email address, first name, and last name. To add your first question, click the plus button on the sidebar. It's that big round button with a cross inside it. This creates a new question by default, which is a multiple choice question type. However, for basic text-based answers like a name or email, you'll want to change this. Click on the drop-down menu that says multiple choice and switch it to short answer. If you want to include a question about gender, simply add another question in the same manner. This time, you'll use the multiple choice question format. Once you've switched the question type, you'll then need to add options. Type in the gender options you'd like to provide, making sure it aligns with your requirements, whether that's male, female, non-binary, or any other category you wish to include. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basics of creating a registration form with Google Forms. This platform offers numerous additional features, so feel free to explore further and discover other potential uses. Whether it's customizing themes, adding sections for more complex forms, or analyzing responses with Google Sheets.